Do you want to learn how to make sexy clothes for strippers, pole fitness, ravers, or even sexy bar and restaurant workers? Well, this is the channel for you. I have been sewing sexy for almost 30 years. I was an exotic dancer in the early 90s where I taught myself how to make my own outfits. After that, I ventured on to Dallas, Texas, where I became a house mom and actually made custom items for the exotic dancers in that area. Eventually, I moved home to the Midwest, to Omaha, Nebraska, where I opened up my retail store called Basic Tees Boutique. I sold the sexy items that I made and some other novelty items also. After the store closed, I opened up an Etsy store and started working exclusively from home. You can find my Etsy store at basicteesboutique.com, where I have a few items that I sell. I'm really trying to back off on that because I'd really rather just do YouTube videos. So why am I giving you all this information? I'm tired of sewing. I'd rather just make YouTube videos and PDF sewing patterns and share my trade with you. I'll be sharing a new video with you once every 2 weeks. I'll also have new PDF sewing patterns available on my website. If you like what I'm dishing out, go ahead and subscribe. You can also check me out at basictees.com, where I sell my PDF sewing patterns, and basicteesboutique.com, which is connected to my Etsy store. Thanks for watching. Bye.